Hi students, now I am going to explain one of the Python program to access the element from an array using index. Very first two lines of this program is non-executable statement which is not execute in the runtime. It is called multi-line command. Multi-line commands are starting with three double quotation, here ending with three double quotation. Next line I am going to import the array module. The syntax is from a keyword. Array is a module name, then import is a keyword, star indicating all. That means it is going to import all classes, objects, variables, etc. from this array module into this program. I am going to create an array. X is equal to this array is a class which is available in this array module. It has two parameters. First parameter is type code, that is enclosed with single quotation. I is indicating signed integer. That means we can give positive values or negative values. Okay, it is occupied 2 bytes in the memory. Next parameter is elements. Elements are enclosed with square bracket and separated by commas. X of 0th location 45, x of first location 25, x of second location minus 75, x of third location 15, x of fourth location 35. So array size is 5, but it's vary from 0 to n minus 1, that is up to 4. Here next line, n equal to len function is used to find the length of the given array. The x array is 5, it is assigned to n. Next line is, and it will print the message on the screen. The array elements are, after printing the message, automatically cursor will come to next line. Next line is a loop statement for I in range. I value, initial value is 0, in range n value is 5. That means up to 4 the condition is true, n with colon. So condition is true, control comes here, x of 0th location value print, that is 45 will print, then end equal to within single quotation I am giving the one blank spaces. After printing 45 it will give one blank spaces, then cursor will be there, then control automatically comes here and the I value will increment. Now it will print x of first location value 25, then it will give one blank spaces, then cursor will come here and I value will increment 1 plus 1 2. Now x of second location value will print minus 75 will print, then it will give one blank spaces, that then control comes here, the I value 2 2 plus 1 it will become 3, then control comes here and x of third location value print, that is 15 will print. After that it will give one blank spaces, then control comes here, 3 plus 1 4, x of fourth location value print, then it will give one blank space, then control comes here and it will increment the I value. I value is current value is 4, 4 plus 1 5. The 5 means condition is false, the range up to 4 only, the condition is false, automatically control comes to here and it will give one blank line. Then it will give this message, enter the array, sorry, it will give this message, array elements are. Then I am going to create a new array. X is equal to, this array is a class name, f, the type code f is a floating point, it occupy 4 bytes in the memory. Floating point means with the decimal point values. Then these are the values enclosed with a double quotation, x of 0th location 45, x of first location 25, x of third location, x of second location minus 75, x of third location 15, x of fourth location 35. Array size is 5. It's vary from 0 to n minus 1 up to 4. Here n equal to length of x. X length is 5. It will assign to n. Okay. For I in range n, 0 to 4 condition is true, that a loop statement end with colon. Print x of 0th location value will print, that is 45.0 will print. Why? Because here floating value. Here 45.0 will print. After that it will give one blank spaces. Then control comes here. I value 0. 0 will become 1. Now condition is true. Control comes here. x of first location value, that is 25.0 will print, then it will give one blank space, then control comes here, I value 1 plus 1 it will become 2, then condition is true, control comes here, x of second location value print minus 75.0, then it will give one blank space, then control comes here, I value 2 plus 1 3, condition is true, x of third location it will print, that is 15.0, then it will give one blank spaces, then control comes here, I value 3 plus 1 4, 4 to 4, condition is true, so control comes here, and the x of fourth location value 35.0 will print, after that it will give one blank spaces, then control comes here, current value is 4 plus 1 5, 5 in 5, the condition is false, control comes to immediate next statement, this print will give one blank line, then control comes here. So now I am creating new array, that is a character array, x is equal to, this array is a class name, it has two parameter, u is indicating type code, u is indicating character array. It is occupied 2 bytes in the memory, which is enclosed with a single quotation. The element second parameter, sorry elements, enclosed with a square bracket. Each element is enclosed with a single quotation separated by commas. So x of 0th location or x of first location A, x of second location J, x of third location 4. The array size is 4, but it's vary from 0 to n minus 1, that is 3. Then control comes here, it will print the message, the array elements are, then n equal to length of x, x length is 4, the n value is 4. Now I value I am assigning 0. The for loop automatically, that by default it will take 0. But here in the I am using while loop, so you should use the declare the assign the initial value. I value 0 while 0 less than 4. Condition is true. End with the loop statement, end with the colon. The print x of 0th location value or print, after that it will give one blank spaces, then control comes here, I value equals 0, 0 plus 1, it will I value become 1. There is no other statement, control comes here, and 1 less than 4, condition is true, x of first location A will print, after A it will give one blank spaces, then control comes here, current I value is 1 plus 1 2, then control comes here, 2 less than 4, condition is true, then control comes inside the loop, x of second location value J print, after J it will give one blank space, then control comes here and increment the I value 2 plus 1 3, then control comes here and check the condition, and 3 less than 4, condition is true, then control comes inside the loop, x of third location value is A print, then it will give one blank space, then control comes here, I value 3, 3 plus 1 become 4. Then control comes here and it will check the condition, 4 less than 4, condition is false, so control goes to immediate next statement. There is no other statement, the program is over. We will see the output, how to run the program. F5 is used to run the program. So first array is integer array, second one is a float array, third one is a character array. Okay, fine. Kindly subscribe this channel and press bell icon. If I release the new video, immediately the notification come to you. So thank you.